Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore Gmail data from the admin console. But before I begin with this video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for $1 your first month if you click the link in the description. So basically, it's pretty important to follow these steps. So you need to click restore as described in the step 7, but we'll get to that in a moment. And the process can be stopped or paused, so be very sure when you want to continue with this. Depending on the amount of data being restored, it can take up to several days for restored data and messages to appear in the user's account. If you use Google Vault organization, ask a Vault user to place users in Gmail data on hold. So basically what you have to do is sign into a Gmail admin console. In the console, go to the menu that you will see on the left side, then click on the person, this one directory, then go to users. In the users, find that user you want to restore the data. For example, let's say his name is Marco. You would click on more options, restore data. And then select the range from the data you want to restore from within the last 25 days. Select the type you want to restore, in this case Gmail, and click restored. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.